bright and fiery, and mighty generous. Our glorious sun has always been radiating light and beauty. But never before has its power been harnessed the way it's been in the 21st century. Energy independence and power is the most crucial raw material for economic growth. It must be harnessed and used in the right direction. Constructing and operating high-quality rooftop and ground-mounted solar PV systems for commercial, industrial and residential power consumer with a team of project managers, on-site construction engineers and quality control managers check the individual vendors' technical and financial criteria. The team is well equipped with adequate personal protection equipment. We treat your solar investments as if it was ours and make sure your assets get all the care it needs to last sustainably. You can simply compare sunlight with a tap pouring gold. So join us in reducing costs, increasing your energy independence, and reduce global warming.